morning lifts off Bendigo, gold dust in the air. Box and bark is waking, magpies everywhere. I rise above the diggings where the old shafts sleep. Follow the Loddon north where the river runs deep. From the pilot's seat the world goes still, just wind and battery and quiet will. Drone me happy, take me high over gum and granite under southern sky. Red dirt dreaming, coastal spray, watch Australia breathing in the light of day. Drone me happy, let it roll, oh, film the country, heart and soul. Uluru at sundown, turning rust to wine. Kimberley falls are falling, silver down the line. 12 apostles standing in a cold blue row. Lake air holds the heavens like a glass floor. No road can take you where the lens can go. Just lift and listen to the land below. Southern sky, red dirt dreaming, coastal spray, watch Australia breathing in the light of day. Drone me happy, oh, let it roll, oh, film the country, heart and soul. Snow gums to Spinifex, reef to sand, cockatoos turning shadow on the land. Ancient, open, never on this sky. Country feels like home. Drone me happy, softer than lift. Drone me happy, stay up high, paint the seasons as they roll by. We gold waving, storm clouds gray. Every frame, a love letter to the day.